Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you that how to record your computer screen with the help of Bandicam software. If you are a YouTuber and makes tutorials, then this software provides us so many useful features to record your screen in full HD. So let's begin the video. So first of all, you need to search for www.bandicam.com on Google. Now as you can see, it is the official website of bandicam.com. Bandicam allows you to record computer screen gameplay in 4K and also device recording like webcam while recording the games. In order to download the software, just click on download, and after this you will get to see some technical requirements to run the software. Now just click on download. Now your Bandicam setup being downloaded. Now our installation process completed. Just open Bandicam software. Now as you can see, this is the interface of Bandicam software. Before starting recording, just take a look on some important setting to record in good quality. Now just click on Home tab. There are three options like Get Started, Videos and Image. In Get Started option, you will get to see Recording Mode option. First one is a rectangular recording mode, which allows you to record specific part of your screen. You can simply adjust recording screen. Another one is Full Screen Recording Mode, which allows you to record full screen. Next mode is a mouse recording mode, which allows you to record around the mouse. Another one is a game recording mode, but in this video I am only show you screen recording. If you want to see how to record gameplay, then you can click in the link description down below. You can also set hotkeys to start and pause the recordings and also capture image. In video and image section, you will get to see video files which you have recorded. By click on folder icon on top, you can see all the recorded files. Let's take a look on general setting, and here you need to set output folder of your videos. There are so many options down below, you can select as per your suitability. Now I want to show you most important setting, that is a video setting. Now here we have so many options. In the first two options, you can add hotkeys to start and pause your recording. I have already selected this. Next option is about mouse. If you want to show mouse while recording and click effects, so you have to select these options. The last option is about webcam. If you want to add webcam overlay while recording, then you can select this option. Now just click on setting, and here we have so many important setting options while recording to the video. First tab is about sound, and here you need to check this box to record your sound. If you want to save separate audio track while recording, then select below one also. Down below you need to select sound device, and I have selected mic at the front panel option because I have connected collar mic in the front audio jack. In desktop recording, you have to disable the secondary sound device, but if you want to place some music file inside your desktop while recording, then only select this option. Down below it will ask you two sound mixing option. If you select this, then you will get a single audio file which contains sound from mic and internal music. If you want two separate files, then uncheck this option. Let me show you how it works. Now this is my output folder, and here you can see this is the video file, and on the right side it is the audio file of this video. This is very important setting for editing purpose. Now second tab is about webcam setting. Here you can add webcam overlay while recording. You can adjust overlay size and position of overlay. You can preview all these things so that you can adjust your overlay video. Next tab is about mouse setting. Here you can add so many mouse effects. You can add click effects such that whenever you click, color will appear. You can also add highlight effects. It will help to the viewer to find where is the position of cursor, so they can keep focus on your cursor. This setting is really important for tutorial videos. In next option, you can add logo while recording your video. You just need to select a file and fix a position in your video. Now click on OK to save settings. Next setting is about video format setting. Here we have so many presets already, but don't select this because quality of this presets is not so good. For custom changes, just open the setting option. You need to select format of your video like MP4 or AVI. I suggest you to select MP4 format because size of output file will be low and better video quality. In size option, only select full size option for best quality. Don't use the resolution given in the down. I have selected full size and 144 fps and codec H264 CPU. Select quality to 100%. I suggest you to leave audio settings as it is. If you don't want to go in deep complicated terms, you can set video format setting that I have selected. This setting will surely record your video in full HD quality. After doing all these things, you are ready to start your recording. So friends, this software allows us to record only up to 10 minutes with Bandicam watermark. If you want to record longer videos and remove watermark, then you need to buy this software in the pricing section at Bandicam website. So I hope guys you like this video. If you liked this video, then please like and share to this video, and do subscribe our channel for more related videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.